Welcome, guys. We're opening up another stream of income for you. This company has been around for, I want to say, over 10 years. I've had it on the channel, but I just wasn't in a position to take advantage of it. So we're bringing back this affiliate income just because these products, these digital products, and it's not a course, are literally what everyone needs. I don't care where you are at in your life. You can most likely use this, whether it's actually in your day-to-day or to add a second income stream. So I'm going to get right into it on showing you guys how you can make some money from home. So we're getting right into it. The company is called Myecon, financial success company, and they have different strategies to help you guys get cash flow, eliminate debt, enhance your credit, upgrade your credit, and invest your money. And we jumped into the taxes space as well. Plus, one of my favorite features is the cash flow manager. So when you're in business, when you join Myecon, you officially become a home-based business, and you're going to need to track all your expenses. So this alone is worth it. This alone is worth the fee to get into this program. So we're going to scroll through a little bit. I'm not going to click on all the meat and potatoes, but I'm going to show you some of our softwares. We have our FSM membership, which comes with exactly what you see, how to correct your W form and get your money. Now, and if you're paying a lot of money, if you're getting a lot of money back on a return, you think it's good, but you can actually get that money back in your weekly check. So they show you how to adjust your W4 and get that money now. You know, when I was working at my old job, it gave me like an extra $50 on my check. So while everyone was getting $400, 400 some dollars, it had put me up to 500 some dollars a week, which helped a lot. Then you have your credit, you have your software to help you eliminate debt, you have your minimized taxes, and then we have another membership, the EBM membership, which comes with Zingo Travel, as well as cash back on your flights, Defender Plus, protecting your identity. And then we have our viral tax service, which this is going to be a very big service actually. This is a service where you can bring clients who need their taxes done, and we have experienced tax professionals, not just anybody doing taxes, and they can submit it, pay the fee. We have the same services where you can pay for your filing through your refund, and you're going to get a commission off of that, and you're going to be able to build a business just around this if you want, especially it being tax season. So I think right now we already discussed that the product is set in stone. You need this. But to finish off this video, the reason why I really love this in business, and I'm a digital marketer, so I offer courses, I host my products, I do the whole nine. But the real issue with business in general is setting up the business, managing the business, and getting all these bells and whistles. Whereas in this specific company, it comes with everything. It comes with a capture page. It comes with a marketing system. It comes with email follow-ups. It even comes with a Linktree style page where you can put your different opportunities on here. So I want to come in here and show you guys the marketing system. So for example, we're going to come over to the My Credits. Let's actually come to the membership. And I want to show you guys the marketing system. So under every product, there's a breakdown on what's in the product. And then you have this built-in marketing system. So this is our live. So if we click this, you can see when our meetings are. But if we look at and we have some recorded ones as well. So let's click this. And it has your ID. So when people join, they can go right and purchase. So let me show you more of the digital style marketing. So say we want to promote the business opportunity. There's already a capture page set up where you can pick what you want to show. So in this, I just want to show the first name, which is required, and the email address is required. These two are optional. You upload your picture. You can upload a background if you want, but just upload your picture. You already have a landing page down here where you can click this, and you already have a digital marketing business built in. And you can make your own. We can show you how to make your own and customize it and make it, but you get off and starting. Most importantly, you have amazing training. I'm part of the Team Six Figures Club, so I have some of the best marketers in the game, coaching in our community. But if you come down here and look, we have so much training It's ridiculous. And I love that everything is built into the system. You come to training replays, you have even more. I mean, training from the ones doing 90, 100, 200 sales a week. So it's everything you need. And most importantly, I know a lot of you will be super comfortable promoting not a physical product, but actual service-based product, so you feel confident on what you're offering. You know you're offering something that people really can use versus trying to wrap your mind around digital products. I know how it can be. You actually have services you can actually do. So when we're speaking about the cost of this system, depending on time you see this video, depends on if we have a promo or not. But there's 2 memberships. There's one for $39.95 and $39.95 a month. And there's another one that includes the travel. So this is the one-time to get started fee, and this is the fee every month. And you can always upgrade on the back end if you ever want this. And this comes with the travel and the Defender protection. And I'm gonna actually leave both of these in the description so you guys can differentiate the two. I'm gonna leave them both in the description. And this is gonna be an amazing way for you guys to make money in 2025. Myecon isn't going anywhere. They're a debt-free company with real services. And like I said, I've been a member of Myecon on and off for the last, 5 years, 8 years. Like, they've been around for a while. I just wasn't ready as a marketer at the time. And I think we all know at this point in time, these services are everything for you. Everything. You want to know how to fix your credit on demand. You want to know how to eliminate your debt. You need everything that I had to offer, guys. So I'm going to leave it in the comment section below. This is going to be one of my streams of income in 2025.